Hey, what's up guys, it's Philip. Just a quick reminder that we have some limited time free assets on Fab Marketplace, so definitely check them out and put them in your library. We have a Stylized Village Fat Pack, okay, Advanced Portal Systems and Train Pack. So over here, I mean Fat Pack is that it's a big pack or something like that. As you can see, awesome assets. If I scroll a bit here, you can see how nicely it's done. You can also download this playable demo if you want to experience this as a game. After that, we have advanced portals. It's awesome, they look super great. If you click on this link over here, you can see them moving, and those portals looks just awesome. Definitely put it in your library. And also we have this train pack, which is also super nice to have it. You can see it here in the video presentation, or check out the documentation and you will be just fine. And this is it. I don't want to talk too much about this, because this video is only to remind you that new packs are here, new assets are here. Make sure to download them every 15 days, because after a few years, even if you don't use Unreal, even if you're not making games right now, after a few years when you come back to Unreal, because you will come back to Unreal, you will need those packs and you will have them, like, you know, thousands of those assets ready for your next awesome game or awesome project. This is it. Thanks for watching. See you in some other video.